Move over, sangria. Stop hogging the limelight. It's time to give some other lesser-known Spanish cocktails their moment in the sun. Carajillo, Sombra, Agua de Valencia. Ever heard of them? Yes, no, some of you will, some of you won't. Well, I've never made any of them, and I've never tried any of them. So that's what we're going to do today. Will they be any good? Who knows? Let's find out. Venga, let's go. But before we jump into the kitchen, I want to get a Spaniard's opinion on these drinks. And well, we only have one Spaniard around here, and she's kind of famous. Yoli.
Yes, my love?
Can you take a seat? I have some questions.
All right, okay.
All right.
Tell me.
Little interview.
Right.
So Yoli, in my quest to discover the true Spain, the authentic Spain, deep Spain, there's some cocktails, some drinks beyond sangria, beyond this land of big gin and tonics that I haven't tried. And we're going to make them today, but I want to get your take on them before we do. So quick fire, I'm going to give you the names of some Spanish cocktails, and I want to hear what you associate with those names. First one, Carajillo.
Old Man Bar, Bar de Viejos, and breakfast.
Yum. Agua de Valencia.
Agua de Valencia. Summer in Valencia?
Okay. Have you ever had summer in Valencia?
No, maybe a couple of visits.
Okay. Sol y Sombra.
Sol y Sombra is cigars, puros.
Do we have cigars?
We may have.
Should we start with Carajillo? Should we start cooking?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's try it.
Let's go.
Okay, welcome to our bookshelf / liquor cabinet. All these wonderful liqueurs. All right, Carajillo. So what does a Carajillo have? Brandy. So that's what we need. Okay, the first drink we're gonna make is the Carajillo. Yoli's gonna make the coffee.
Yeah, where's the coffee maker?
Bad start. And then I'm gonna make the actual alcohol part of it. Now, this drink is coffee with any kind of brandy or rum or even anise inside it. But, you know, if you go to an old school bar, they'll often just give you coffee and then they'll put some brandy in it. But we're gonna make a little bit more of a Gigi version of it. First step for a Carajillo, you're gonna make the coffee. So make some espresso. So to make a Carajillo, you're gonna need some sort of brandy or rum or something like that. You could be pretty liberal. Actually, supposedly the original Carajillo, and this, I don't know if this is true, comes from the word coraje, which means bravery in Spanish, because supposedly the Spanish troops, when they're in Cuba, used to pour a little, you know, aguardiente or, you know, fire water or brandy or something into their coffee to give them, well, Dutch courage. So Spanish courage in this case. And you're also gonna need a few coffee beans. You're gonna need a stick of cinnamon and a twist of lemon. So first step. So you've got your coffee, you're gonna kick off by measuring about 50 mils of brandy. I've got brandy de Jerez here, a good old Magno, that's a very Kiwi way of saying it. Magno. All right, let's get in there, pour this. So you're gonna place your ingredients in a little pot.
All right.
Coffee beans, it's like making a magic potion.
Yeah,
Cinnamon
you know,
stick.
I love 3 coffee beans.
You're gonna pour in the brandy. Will this be the first of many or the only one? All right, so I'm just gonna heat that up a little bit. And so the idea is I'm heating up the brandy with those ingredients in there and they're gonna infuse into the brandy. And once it's hot, the brandy, I'm then gonna flambe it. I'm gonna light it to burn off the alcohol. So it keeps the flavor, but doesn't have all the booze.
So exciting. Are you a little bit scared now?
It's also the first time I've ever flambéed anything, so.
So exciting.
Wah! All right, we're putting the plate on. We're gonna pour that out. I'm gonna let the coffee beans go in and the lemon. And I'm gonna let the cinnamon sticks sit in there.
Oh.
All right. All right, Yoli, should we go outside and try it?
Right, yeah.
Carajillo, first drink, trying it. First of many, last Carajillo. Ooh, it's actually quite good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Good.
You know, this is kind of delicate and this has flavor and it has complexity.
Stylish, huh?
There's a slight sweetness from the cinnamon. Yeah, it's really, really good. Yoli, your turn.
Wow.
Take a big sip.
It's nice.
It's nice, huh? Nice. And it's not boozy.
No, I mean, you know, you can tell there's a little bit of something in there, but yeah. It's lovely. It's dangerously so. I don't want to start my days like this now.
Yeah. Well, we are starting our days like this now. Agua de Valencia time. Cocktail number 2. Should we go?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Agua de Valencia has gin and vodka.
Ole.
Okay, Agua de Valencia. I think this is the perfect drink to drink before lunch. You know, it's effectively like a cocktail that has so much kind of sunshine in it and uses oranges because it's from Valencia. It was invented in 1959 by a bartender there and kind of became a thing in the 1970s. And these days, people don't really drink it in Madrid. I don't know if people drink it in Valencia. Do you? Let us know in the comments. What goes in here? Well, there's a few things. It's pretty heady, this drink. Key ingredient is cava, Spanish sparkling wine. You're gonna need that. And then of course, your gin that we got from the cabinet and your vodka as well. There's a lot in here, as I say. And so the blend is 1/3 orange juice, 1/3 cava, 1/6 gin, and 1/6 vodka. Okay, so here's a key thing. You actually now need to leave it in the fridge a little while, maybe for an hour, to let all the flavors combine and also to cool it. So I'm gonna cover it, put it in the fridge, and we'll be back. I think that's enough for our tasting.
Yeah.
Should we take it outside, Yoli?
Yes.
Should we take this outside?
Yes.
Let's take it outside.
Let's do it.
Yoli, would you like to taste this one first?
Oh, thank you.
All right. Test.
Booyah!
Agua de Valencia. Sí, señor.
It's yummy, but wow, it's pretty strong, huh? This gonna get you ready for, you know, anything.
I'm curious now.
Yeah, we'll go for it.
Boom! Jeez. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's strong. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't know. 1/3 orange juice, 1/3 cava, a 1/6 gin, 1/6 vodka. All right,
Good
get
on
you
you
ready for
guys.
anything. I have no words. I am wordless. I am speechless. Yoli has said it all. The rule with vermouth is you can't have more than 2 before lunch. With Agua de Valencia, you can't have more than 1.
You can't even have one.
You can't even have 1. You have to have a half. But, you know, we've had it. We've done it. Try it at home. Let us know what you think. All right, next drink. You've had your lunch, had a big lunch, and then you need a digestif. So that's when the Sombra comes in, the sun and shade. Should we head to the kitchen, Yoli?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it. So, a Sombra has brandy. We've already got that going on. And anise. Sombra, sun and shade, it refers to some of the seats you can get at the bullfight, because when you buy bullfighting tickets, you get sun or shade, sol or sombra. Sombra means you get a bit of both. This one has brandy in it, brandy de Jerez. We've got the old Magno here. That's the sombra, the shade. And it has anise dulce, sweet anise, which is La Castellana, classic brand here in Spain from Segovia. This is the sun. Pretty easy. Little ice and a cocktail shaker, equal parts, and then knock it back.
Easy.
Tom Cruise.
Yeah. Great.
It's got an interesting color, huh? Ooh, interesting. Sombra. Let's take it outside. There it is. So, in all the years I've been in Spain, 9, I've always heard about the Sombra. It's probably of all these drinks the one that I'm most interested to try. Ooh, it's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, the brandy takes a little bit of the cloyingness away from the anise, which I usually find too sweet, but it's not bad. You actually almost can't taste the brandy that much. I'm not sure. Yoli, I'm curious what you think.
Ooh. I quite enjoy it, actually. It's nice. I think it's the perfect digestif, you know, not too strong at all, you know, like I don't like the whole licor de hierbas thing.
Not too strong. It's half brandy, half anise.
I don't get it's too strong, you know?
This is a pretty, I would say, delicate
Sophisticated.
and sophisticated drink. Sombra, the big discovery. So Yoli, verdict. What do you think? You've tried these drinks. I have led the horse to the water, but I can't make the horse. I don't know what I'm talking about. What did you think? What did you think?
I think they're all way better than what I thought they would be. And my favorite, Sombra.
I'm calling it for the Sombra as well, guys. I want you to make these. Recipes are below. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. I don't recommend having all of these in one day, but, you know, spread them over 2 days maybe. Great to see ya. Hasta luego. Ciao.
Ciao.